Hi guys, Arjan Bevers here. I'm gonna give you my tips and tricks for mixing with the IGORA. Come on over, I'll show you some cool stuff. I think it's one of the most important things. Of course, we have the most beautiful colors from the IGORA ROYAL color world. But when we're gonna mix them, we're gonna create our own unique customized colors. Yeah, we're like a chef in a restaurant, adding a bit of this color and putting a few grams of another color, and then we get something which is really unique. My tip to you is to celebrate coloring the hair of the client. Get them into it. Mix and match your colors and talk to your client, because they feel like really special when you create something unique for them. We start with our mood board, and then we're thinking of which colors in the IGORA ROYAL book we could use to make these colors. Here we started with the Cendré color, the 811, it's like a gray color, and I added the 699, which is a violet tone. So it's 10 grams of 811 and 1 gram 699. And then we added more grams. So this is 10 to 2, 10 to 3, and this is 101. So the color gets more saturated. You will see that only a small amount, so it's only 10 to 1, will give a huge impact to the color. So I will give you a tip. With mixing, it's just like with pancakes. The first one is never perfect. So try again, the next one, the third one, the fourth one, it will get better, really, believe me. I love to work with PASTELFIER. It's one of my favorite shades. It gives endless possibilities. Here I have two examples. The 9-1 with the 688. The 688 is like a really red shade. It's like 30 to 1. It's a beautiful shade. It's like a candy kind of pink shade. So here is the same mix, but then with the PASTELFIER, way more light, diluted. It's really, really soft. Here you can see my own color book, which I use when I'm creating a new collection or a new look. I tried a lot and it didn't work out, so I throw it away. And these are the nicest ones. For an example, what you can do with the PASTELFIER. This is one of the original mixes from the collection. And here I start by adding some more blue. And then I thought, maybe it would be cool to go from a new jeans to washed jeans. Your color can evolve to a whole new, different color. So for example, we use a copper shade, and here the 777 all over. And when you do it on a client, it could look heavy on the root area. So here we colored it mixed into a 7-0. So you get 777 with 7-0, and it gets more soft, more diluted tone. On a client, it would be really nice if you blended the two colors into each other. Mix the colors into each other and you will create a more harmonious look. It will look amazing.